7. Simple ways to increase your Instagram following for free. Do you want to increase the number of actual Instagram followers you have quickly and easily? In case you're facing difficulties expanding your fan base after gaining between 100 and 5,000 followers on your excellent images, videos, and reels, you've arrived at the perfect spot. You can learn the best 7+ organic ways to increase your Instagram following with this channel tutorial, which covers topics like selecting quality material, making effective use of hashtags, and establishing connections with other producers. Things you should know. There are numerous methods for growing your Instagram following, but the simplest one is to make sure that people can locate your account with ease. Participate in the community, use hashtags, and post memorable content to get more followers on Instagram. Make sure you post content on Instagram that others will appreciate in order to get more followers. 1. Engage with similar accounts. Instagram is a community, and you will find yourself gaining followers if you participate in that community. This means interacting beyond simply uploading photos. Find people that are posting pictures that interest you and follow their accounts. This will let you see their latest photos on your feed. Do a quick search for relevant hashtags on Instagram to find a list of photos and accounts that are similar to what you post. For example, if you post lots of travel pictures, then search for something like Insta Travel. Don't just follow everyone you see, or your feed will become too overloaded to process. Limit yourself to following only those accounts that you find most interesting. It's more likely people will follow you if you have the exact same amount or less of followers and following. If you're following too many people, people might mistake you as a new Instagrammer or a bot and be less likely to follow you. Instagram limits you to following about 120 people per hour. Follow shout-out accounts on Instagram to gain more followers. They usually give a shout-out to your account if you follow them or like one of their photos. You can also look into other ways to get shout-outs. 2. Use hashtags effectively. Hashtags make it easy for people to find you on Instagram, which can be a great way to attract new followers. You can use hashtags to hop on popular trends, join conversations, and show your support or disdain for trending topics. When you use the right hashtags for your niche, people searching for those tags will be able to see your content in the search results. Try to limit the number of hashtags to 3 to 5 at the most. If you have too many hashtags, your followers will feel like your images are too spammy. Hide the hashtags by using them within the caption sentence, e.g., "I really love this egg girl," or place them right at the bottom of the caption. You can find relevant tags using websites such as AllHashtag, Hashtagify, or #Stack. 3. Like and comment on others' posts. Once you start following some people, take some time to like and leave positive comments on their photos. Not only will this make the other person feel good, but other people may see your name or comment and check out your profile. If you stay active, this can lead to a steady stream of new followers. When commenting on photos, take your time to write a longer message and use emojis when possible. It will be much more motivating for them to take the extra time to look over your profile. 4. Ask your followers questions. Use the photo caption to ask questions to your followers. This will make your comment section more active, which will attract more followers to your account. The more engaged you are with your followers, the more likely it is that potential new followers will want to join the conversation. Consider having a call to action, such as double tap if you agree or share your story in the comments. This will help improve your engagement rate. 5. Respond to comments on your posts. Interacting with your followers is essential to maintaining your follower base and building your community. Respond to any interesting comments and thank your followers for any compliments. If a follower asks an intriguing question, take the time to answer it properly. Even if a comment doesn't require a written response, it might be worthwhile to like the comment to acknowledge that you've seen it and appreciate it. 6. Switch to a professional account. Convert your profile to a business or creator account to access helpful features for growth. Both of these professional account types are great for creators and brands who want to expand their audiences. You'll gain access to analytics that can help you understand your followers, tools to boost your posts, and even have the ability to collaborate with other accounts to promote products. 7. Use relevant keywords in your bio. Let people know who you are and why they should follow you. Your Instagram bio is an often overlooked but very important part of your Instagram account. Everything you type in your bio is searchable on Instagram, so be sure to use any keywords you think potential followers might be searching for. Your bio is another good section to place a call to action. Mention your following guidelines in your Instagram bio. Here's an example. I am a mega fan of Katy Perry. There will always be a lot of people with the same interests as you, and then you'll probably get a whole heap of Katy Perry lovers following you. You might even be lucky enough to get the real Katy following you. Make sure your username is something close to what you represent. You can change it after creating your account if you don't like it. 8. Use Reels, Stories, and Live, in addition to creating posts. For the best chance at reaching new people, use all of the formats Instagram has to offer. Creating shareable video reels and interesting stories offers a multi-sided view of your page and increases the chances of other users following you and your content. Tap the plus in the top right corner to be able to make a feed post, a story, or go live. If you want to make a reel, tap the director's clapboard in the menu at the bottom of your screen, then tap the camera icon in the top right corner. 9. Geotag your photos. Instagram users are interested in photos from locations that they know. On top of that, as you post geotagged photos, Instagram will bring up other photos from that location. Other users posting photos from the same location may see your pictures and follow them to your account, giving you more exposure and potentially new local followers. Avoid geotagging your photo in a location where the photo was not taken. Incorrect geotagging could lead to negative comments on your posts or other forms of backlash. For your own safety, avoid geotagging your home or work locations.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget share like comment to get more tutorial.